Okay, I'm back with part 2 of the video to import pin delay data into Allegro. We've already dumped the report from the MCM file. If you go to the directory where the board's contained, there's a directory called component. In there it's a bunch of information, and here's the file we're concerned with, package pin delay length report. If I open that up, it's just a simple text file that Allegro will then turn and read in. It has the ball number that'll coincide with what you have in your PCB, the net name, and the actual length here. You don't need to do anything with this, it's just nice to know what it looks like. So once I'm in Allegro, following the second half of the instructions of the importing pin delay information instructions, I'm going to go ahead and let's look at the board. Let's zoom in on the chip we're concerned with. Then I go to File, Import Pin Delay. It's the last thing here. And it gives me a pop-up that will let me navigate to where that pin delay file is. It's in the component directory. Change the filter to all files so I can see the .rpt file. I say open, and then it asks me to select the actual BGA that we're concerned with. As you can see, as you move your cursor around, it's ready to select. So I go to the BGA and I click on it, and you can see in the pop-up it populates the information. Then I just say import, and done. It just takes a second to read that in. If you want to go verify where that information is stored, it's in the Constraint Manager, and under the electrical constraints, if you go to the net section, say routing and relative prop delay, which is what we're usually doing with DDR, you click Analyze, and then you can see here is the actual information of the pin delay that came in from that report. If you wanted to verify that the net names or the pin numbers matched, you could do that. I've done that before, and it seems to be pretty airtight. The only other thing that you want to check at this point is that if you go to the Analyze modes and you check the electrical options menu, there is an option here, a checkbox for pin delay. You want to make sure that's checked. If it's not checked, then it doesn't consider this pin delay information into the matched groups when you're working. So everything will be out of skew when you do check this box. So before you start matching anything, make sure this box is checked. Alright, that's it. Again, the instructions for this are found on the Sharepoint site, and these videos are just to serve as a guide to help you along. Thank you.